All right, welcome back. So the answer to this one, we need to add an h1 header. So we're going to call this header 1 and close off that tag. And then what we need to do is add in a paragraph. And we'll call this paragraph. Simple enough. And we'll close off that tag. What else do we need? We need to add in a table. So we're going to push table. And I'm going to close off the tag right here. Simple enough. Okay, and of course we need a table row, and we'll close off that tag right here. We also need some table data. And we'll close that off right here. Lastly, there we go. And you can add in as many cells as you want. Simple enough. Okay. And that is the solution to the test. I'll see you guys next time.